What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Young Jupiter, Big Jupiter, or you can just call me Jupiter. Just make sure you come. Before we get to the video, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. That's all I ask. That's all I ask. Today, we got 15 most disturbing things caught on the doorbell camera. Now, like I be saying, I always try to tell people, please, if you don't have one, go get one. And go get one for inside your house too. Like, go get a camera for inside your house. You never know nowadays. Like, just, you'd rather be safe than sorry. That's just to help people out. You know, people really wild out here, for real, for real. Go invest in a gun, taser, whatever you can, no matter what. So, I'm going to link to the original video down below if y'all want to check it out for yourself. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the 15 most disturbing things caught on doorbell camera. This video was posted by Doorbell News on June of 2022. Here we see a strange old man walking up to this house and trying to break in. He has two bags in his hand, and I don't know what's inside them. He checks the door.
I was literally about to say, how I know you're not finna break into somebody's house with groceries in your hand. What would be, I don't know, but let me continue. Maybe I'm jumping the gun too fast.
But it was locked. Always keep your doors locked to be safe from these strange guys. This video is from San Francisco, where this man had a crazy encounter with this female porch pirate.
She was blocking access to the door. When she did start to descend down the stairway, and I was, yelling at her, just keep going, right? Keep going.
And that is when the guy says his encounter with the woman turned violent. Surveillance video captured it as the guy arrived at 8:30 Friday night at his house on Lake Street in San Francisco. At one point, the woman knocks the package off his arms.
She was kicking the door, hitting the door with some metal objects and with the knife, slashing and stabbing motion.
The guy managed to call 911.
My thing is, how can you get mad because you were trying to steal my package? Make it make sense.
Inside his home right before things escalated even more. The guy feared for his life, and thankfully, soon after, the police arrived quickly, making an arrest. As for the woman in the video, she either has drug addiction or mental illness issues. In this video, this man was caught breaking into this house while the homeowner was at home. The man confronts him, but he says he's just here to look into the apartment.
People who try to break in houses, y'all, they really have to stop. Because some people nowadays just shoot through the door and be like, hey, they were trying to break in. And it's going to be justifiable. So find something else to do. Please go get a day job. Go do something else. Because this ain't for you.
Oh, how you doing, man? No, I got a call. The place was empty. I was supposed to come to look at the apartment. 301, 1967. Was the lock?
It looks like he saw many packages and assumed no one was home. The clothing is just to throw people off. Also, handymen usually have tools. Sketchy dude. Call the cops and let them check him out. What do you think about him? Let me know in the comments. There was a fight in this neighborhood where these three men had a misunderstanding. It was 2 versus 1 guy, and they pushed the guy a little too far.
Oh shit, somebody's screaming. Here we fucking go, boy. Here we fucking go, boy.
I hope the three gentlemen peacefully found a way to settle their differences, although very likely not. This burglar acts as if he lives here. Yay, I live here! So he walks up to this house and takes a yawn to look natural, but he knows he's full of it. He looks right into the camera with a smirk. Yeah, his whole
Then y'all so stupid. Y'all do it in broad daylight, no mask. Like, you just want to get caught. You honestly got to want to get caught. Gots to.
face got caught by the camera. He tries to open the door with a bunch of keys in his hand, but it doesn't open up. This is on Christmas Day also, when everyone's at home, so this guy is clearly out of his mind. This lady tries to steal the packages from this house and hides the boxes under her shirt. Check this out. Whoa, that's a lot of boxes under one shirt. These two guys try to get into this house, and for 2 days in a row, they drove a white or gray Ford truck. In the video, you can see these punks walk up and have hoodies on. One of them seems to think it was funny that they were trying to break into this guy's house. The guy in the blue hoodie had a smirk on his face. They don't look like robbers. They look like high school kids. Luckily, the homeowner scares them off.
What the do you want? I'm gonna call the police right now and put some charges.
The video has been sent to authorities to identify plates and press charges to look for them. I hope the police catch them soon and teach them a lesson. This is the smartest porch pirate you'll ever see in your life. I'm impressed by this guy. He walks around with a cane, but uses the cane to fish out packages from behind people's gates or doors.
Who would think of this? Like, bro, wait.
So he is trying to fish out someone's boxes, but when he sees things aren't working with the cane, an idea hits him. He gets the idea of getting one of those trash pickers that you can grab items with.
Oh
and
my
look,
God.
he came by the next day and was able to capture the object. That's impressive.
Wait, hold on. So whoever stayed there had to be out of town or something, because the next day you telling me you still didn't get your package and it's just left outside? Nah, you had to be out of town. I would hope so. I would hope so. But why order some and go out of town when you know a package is coming? Like, I don't know.
You gotta give him an A for being creative. If this guy would put this type of energy into something positive, he'd probably be great. In this video, you can see a thief walking up and trying to open the first car, and then he gets inside the second car, but if you look closely, he has a weapon drawn. So imagine you get a notification from your Ring app and you see someone's out. So you now run outside and try to confront him, not knowing he has a weapon in his hand. The thing to do in these scenarios is just call the police. These thieves have nothing to lose. Sometimes it's best to just call the authorities instead of trying to be a hero.
Yo.
In this video, a porch pirate met
Oh yeah, I see this. This shit is hilarious, man. This shit is hilarious.
with the wrong old man. A suspected porch pirate pulls up in a silver SUV and walks up the driveway unsuspecting, intending to steal the package on the porch. It looks like it could be a laptop or something like that. Little did he know, the old man was ready for him.
Put my back on this porch. Yeah. Yeah, I saw you when you got out.
But this shit was so hilarious because his friend left him. Like, he left him. And he didn't come outside with nothing little. He came out something big.
You're trying to put my back on this porch. You gonna lost your motherfucking mind. You gonna come up on my and take my.
This could have ended.
See, but what I don't understand, like, I'm just not thinking about this. If you was home the whole day and you seen the package on the door cam already, why didn't you then get the package? That's the part that don't make sense.
A lot worse for that porch pirate. This guy wearing a helmet came up with an interesting story to get this door open for him. Check this out.
Hello, I don't live here, but I'm trying to get out, but the gate won't recognize my motorcycle, so if you could come to the door, that'd be great. If not, suck a dick.
You think I'm gonna help you after you just said that? The hell?
Or call the cops, I don't give a fuck. Fuck y'all niggas, bro.
Yeah, call the cops. There's no one opening the door for you at 2 a.m. What do you think? Is his story real? Or is he lying just to break into the house? Let me know in the comments. Some guys are in the back butchering up some fresh meat. Maybe he had a drink or two. Who knows?
Oh shit! What the hell?
The question is the meat still good? And will
That's
you
the
eat
real-
it or throw it away?
That's the real question. Is that meat still good or not? We don't care about you, my friend.
What would you do with the meat? A creep in a red hoodie is seen walking down the street. He sees a nice bike that looks like it could be expensive and he goes for it. You can't leave these expensive mountain bikes out in plain view. People want those. He tries to be sneaky about it and opens the gate slowly. He's really a creep. Yeah, you got your face on camera, buddy. It looks like he could be about 18 or 19 years old. I wonder what kind of bike that is. Those mountain bikes aren't cheap. I've seen some of those cost $5,000 to $10,000.
Man.
Don't leave those bikes outside.
Shit.
So this porch pirate decided to use a paper bag as a mask. I mean, how creative was this guy? He couldn't even buy a mask. He takes a paper bag and puts it over his head. What a scumbag. Stay tuned.
I'm gonna say this about packages. If you know you're not going to be home when a package is coming, tell the wherever you get it from, UPS, FedEx, whatever, tell them that you just gonna come pick it up from there. You can set it up to where you just pick it up from there. If you know you're not gonna be home, trust me, it's way better.
Our number one pick that will shock you. This female thief got confronted by a homeowner who was happy to exercise his Second Amendment rights. It's 3:50 in the morning. There's no reason this lady should be knocking at this person's door at this time, and I'll let the homeowner tell the story of exactly how it happened. Check it out.
Alright, so this happened to me at 3:48 this morning, right? This lady walks up to my door, doesn't ring the bell or even knock. She fakes like she's knocking, but my camera notified me there was a person at the door. So some of you guys have seen people do this before, we've heard about it. They act like they're in trouble or they're distressed, and then they try.
My thing is, if I know I don't have nobody coming over, and I know I don't have no package coming, there's no need for me to open the door. It's just common sense. And if I do go to the door, I'm making sure I got something with me.
Your house for like a home invasion. So I grabbed my Second Amendment and look what happened.
Yup.
3-1.
Oh, hi, I'm sorry.
What the f*** are you
No, it's 3:30 in the morning.
I'm sorry, I got stranded, but I was just wondering if I could use your phone.
No, you can't.
Okay.
Get the away from
Unfortunately, the Ring app records in 30-second loops, and it just happened at that 30 seconds is when she walked away.
Damn.
That's how you do it. Great job by the homeowner. Thank
Yo, people out here on some. They on a new level of boldness that I've never seen and don't even care anymore. She's dangerous out here. Stay dangerous. All I can say is. But yeah, that's the end of today's video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you will. I'm out.